Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh no, I'm not feeling this at all. So I will be using this instead based on how I see YouTube. You know, after graduating in school, you will write a project. Then after writing the project, there will be a day feast to defend your project. So this is how I see YouTube. So we are all schooling and defending our project. Sure you get. So today's video we are defending coconut fried rice. Let's get started. So in a pot I have already washed turkey. Then I will season with some salt, crushed chicken seasoning, curry powder, thyme, garlic and ginger, chopped onions and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I will give it a quick stir, then cover to simmer for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I will add water to continue cooking. It will take probably 8 to 10 minutes. Next, I will add meat liver or cow liver or beef liver into the pot. Add in some water and then cover to cook for 10 minutes. So in here I have fresh coconuts that I've already cut into tiny pieces. Then I'll go ahead to blend them. So up there you see where everything started from. My hubby said you want to drink the coconut water, and that day I was not ready, in the mood to cook at all. So I just have to cut the coconut into tiny pieces and then place it in fridge. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please consider to click on that subscribe button and be part of the amazing family today. And to my other subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys a lot. So right now you can see the liver is still cooking. I will just go ahead to change the water. Then I will add in some salt. Then add another water. Then cover to continue cooking. So at this point the turkey is ready. I will remove it from heat to fry. So you can fry or over grill. So whichever one you prefer. Then just add onions into an oil. Then fry the turkey. So right now the liver is ready. I will chop it into tiny pieces off camera. Next I will go ahead to pack out the turkey from the oil. You can see it's golden brown right now. Look at that sparkling texture, that color. I will just repeat the process until I get to the final part. Then I will also fry the liver, but do not fry it for too long, just a little bit. In an empty pot, I will add in the meat stock, follow with the coconut milk. Then add in some curry powder and some salt. Then give it a quick stir. Cover and bring to a boil. So right now we'll go ahead to add the washed rice. Mix, then cover and leave to cook until soft. So right now the rice is ready. I will remove it from heat and set it aside. So I'm just going to spread it out. I don't want it to stick together. Next, I will add the oil I used to fry the turkey. So I'm not using any other oil. Into the pan, follow with chopped onions. Then garlic and ginger powder, curry powder, and thyme. And fry for 3 minutes. And after that, I will add in the chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, follow with the vegetables, which is diced carrots, green beans, and sweet corn. Then I will season with seasoning cube and some salt. So I will fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So while doing this, be sure to test your rice because you don't want to over season your fried rice. So next I will add the red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Then give it a quick mix. Right now we'll go ahead to add the rice. And as for the rice, I'll be adding it little by little, bit by bit. Then after that, I will add the liver and spring onions. Then I will give it a quick mix. Then leave it on heat for about 5 minutes. So next, I'm just going to quickly fry some ripe plantain. And if you have watched this video to this point, that means you're part of this wonderful family. Thank you so much for staying so. Thank you for staying with me. So if you have enjoyed this video so far, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Yeah, your thumbs up matters a lot. It helps a lot. That is how I will know you like and enjoy the recipe. Voila! So right now, coconut fried rice is ready, guys. So we are going to serve and enjoy. So guys, what are we going to do? Bring your plates. Are you just looking? No, now. Bring your plates, let's eat. So guys, if you have enjoyed this recipe so far, like I said before, do not forget to like, share, and leave a comment, please. And subscribe if you have not yet. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay blessed.